While you sleep, your body may be eating your muscles alive. No pain, no warning, just silent decay every night. What if one simple bedtime habit could stop it? Starting tonight, welcome to Wellness Unfolds. Did you know your valuable muscles might be disappearing while you sleep? Let's stop that right now. Imagine a silent thief stealing your physical strength every single night. This isn't a nightmare. It is a biological reality called sarcopenia. Scientific studies reveal that after age 60, the human body can lose up to 8% of muscle mass every decade. This silent loss leads to frailty and fatigue, but the most critical damage often happens during those 8 hours of sleep. When you sleep, you are fasting. Without nutrients, your body enters a state called catabolism, breaking down tissues for energy. Ideally, we want anabolism, or growth. But at night, your body may eat its own muscle just to keep organs functioning. For those over 60, this natural process accelerates dangerously. The reserve of amino acids is lower, making preservation much harder. However, we can tip the scales back in your favor. The secret lies in what you consume before brushing your teeth. Strategic nighttime nutrition acts as a shield. It provides a steady stream of fuel, protecting your hard-earned muscle mass until morning. We have curated a list of 8 hero foods, ranked by their effectiveness in stopping muscle loss while you are dreaming. Starting at number 8 is cottage cheese. This humble dairy product is actually a powerhouse for sustained nightly protein release. The secret weapon here is casein protein. Unlike whey, casein forms a gel in your stomach, digesting very slowly over hours. This slow digestion means your muscles receive a constant supply of amino acids for 6 to 8 hours while you sleep. Just 1 cup can provide 28 grams of protein. It effectively cancels out the catabolic state your body usually enters. Think of it as an IV drip of nutrition. It ensures your body does not need to scavenge your own muscles. Coming in at number 7 are hard-boiled eggs. They are nature's most perfect portable protein snack for late-night muscle protection. Eggs are considered the gold standard for protein quality. They contain all 9 essential amino acids required for muscle repair. More importantly, eggs are rich in leucine. This specific amino acid acts as the ignition switch for building muscle tissue. Eating 2 hard-boiled eggs provides 12 grams of high-quality protein. It is light on the stomach, but heavy on benefits. The combination of fats in the yolk and protein in the white slows down absorption, extending the feeding window overnight. At number 6, we have canned tuna in olive oil. This is a savory option for those who dislike sweet snacks. Tuna is incredibly protein-dense, but the olive oil is the key player here, adding healthy fats to the nutritional profile. The healthy fats from olive oil slow down gastric emptying. This delays the digestion of the tuna protein significantly overnight. This pairing ensures that amino acids trickle into your bloodstream for hours, bridging the gap until your morning breakfast. Plus, the omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Lower inflammation means your body can focus better on maintaining muscle tissue integrity. Taking the 5th spot is Greek yogurt. It is thicker, creamier, and contains twice the protein of regular sweet yogurts. Like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt is rich in casein. This makes it another excellent slow-release protein source for the night. But it brings a bonus: probiotics. These healthy bacteria improve gut health, which is essential for absorbing nutrients efficiently. If your gut is healthy, you extract more amino acids from your food. It is a dual-action benefit for muscles. Opt for plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid sugar spikes. You can add a few berries for natural flavor without guilt. Number 4 is a soothing classic: warm turmeric milk. This ancient remedy is fantastic for both relaxation and muscle preservation. Milk provides the necessary protein foundation. However, the addition of turmeric introduces curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound for the body. Inflammation is a major enemy of muscle maintenance in older adults. Reducing it helps your body hold on to muscle tissue. The warmth of the milk also has a psychological effect. It signals to your brain that it is time to rest. Better sleep quality equals better hormone regulation. This creates the perfect internal environment for your muscles to recover and thrive. Claiming the 3rd spot is almond butter. This is a nutrient-dense option for those who want a small but mighty snack. Almond butter is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats provide a slow-burning energy source that lasts throughout the night. Crucially, almonds are high in magnesium. This mineral is vital for muscle relaxation and preventing painful cramps during sleep. A relaxed muscle recovers better. The combination of protein and healthy fats keeps your blood sugar stable until you wake up. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. It is an effortless way to deliver nutrients without feeling overly full before getting into bed. The runner-up at number 2 is tart cherry juice. This might surprise you, but it is a recovery miracle for muscles. Tart cherries are loaded with antioxidants that specifically target muscle damage. They reduce soreness and inflammation more effectively than many foods. They are also one of the few natural sources of melatonin. This hormone regulates your sleep-wake cycle, ensuring deep restorative rest. Deep sleep is when growth hormone is released. By improving sleep quality, tart cherry juice indirectly boosts your muscle-building potential. Drink a small glass an hour before bed. It sets the stage for a night of profound healing and muscle preservation. And finally, the champion at number 1 is the whey protein shake. It is the undisputed king of muscle synthesis. While casein is slow, whey is fast. But its true power lies in its incredibly high content of the amino acid leucine. Leucine is the key that starts the engine of muscle growth. Whey contains more leucine per gram than any other food source. Consuming whey before bed spikes amino acid levels rapidly. This sends a strong signal to your body to build, not break. Even without heavy exercise, whey protein can stimulate muscle synthesis in older adults. It is a powerful tool against age-related loss. You do not need a lot. 20 grams of whey protein is sufficient to maximize this anabolic response while you sleep. From cottage cheese to whey, these 8 foods are your nightly armor. They stand between you and the loss of strength. Protecting your muscle mass is protecting your independence. It allows you to stay active, mobile, and strong well into your later years. Remember, consistency is key. Make one of these snacks a habit, not just a one-time treat for the best results. Start tonight. Choose the option that appeals to your taste buds the most and introduce it into your bedtime routine. As always, consult with your doctor before making major dietary changes, especially if you have specific medical conditions or dietary restrictions. Also, do not forget hydration. Water is essential for processing protein and ensuring your kidneys function smoothly with increased intake. Your sleep environment matters too. A dark, cool room enhances the benefits of these foods by promoting deeper, uninterrupted sleep cycles. Think of your muscles as a savings account. Every night you feed them, you are making a deposit for your future health. Don't let sarcopenia steal your golden years. Fight back with nutrition, science, and the simple power of a bedtime snack. To recap, cottage cheese and eggs offer solid protein. They are classic choices that are easy to prepare and digest. Tuna provides healthy fats, while Greek yogurt supports your gut. Both are excellent for sustaining nutrient release throughout the night. Turmeric milk fights inflammation, and almond butter brings magnesium. These help you relax while feeding your muscles essential nutrients. Finally, tart cherry juice aids sleep recovery, and whey protein is the ultimate leucine spike for triggering muscle synthesis. Which of these heroes will you invite to your table tonight? Experiment and see which one makes you feel the best. Wellness is a journey of small steps. Preventing muscle loss is one of the most impactful steps you can take. Combine these nutritional tips with light resistance exercise, and you have a complete formula for defying the aging process. Age is just a number when your body remains strong. You have the power to control how you age, starting now. Thank you for investing your time in learning about your body. Knowledge is the first step towards a healthier, stronger life. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Hit the like button and share this video with friends or family who might benefit from protecting their muscle health. We would love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments below which nighttime snack you are going to try. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will uncover more secrets to unlocking your body's full potential through nature. Sleep well, eat smart, and keep your muscles strong. Your body will thank you for the care you give it. This has been a presentation by Wellness Unfolds, wishing you health, strength, and a restful night. See you next time.